Hello, good day. My name is Mtetwa, and I am very excited about this football project that we are undertaking here in the rural community of Shindi. We have our football teams of girls and boys ranging from age of 11 to youths in their 20s. So this project is going to be benefiting the youths in order to curb the problem of unemployment and also the problem of drug abuse because of idleness among the youths, the teenagers and the youths in their 20s. So this is the project that we are doing for them. We plan to sustain our project through get takings once we fence our pitches for the games when we host them, and also when we are hosting other teams we will be selling refreshments and also regalia for the team to our fans, and the project will be very sustainable for a long time. We plan on even getting to the point where we can sell our players and the team gets the money, and we also go on to invest into other businesses and other projects as a team. Thank you.